It's my memory back to judges Kofi Usu to sack actions are all year. Ghana or court way, no akọ Jimmy, no acquire theatrics, no akọ chantro, no akọ kansema adansi die any ho, no aye the ope judge asemo court, no jina bontain, no or my judgment, asemo court, no, or take action against assembly court. No. Adia a facing injunction, why yes, and series of an way. Now, this last one, we now, why you know, I think say, Kofi Usu adwene wa fan say judges no. Do na enche da adwene nya adwuma. Sa na Kofi Usu no. Because a judges adwene ye adwuma wo Ghana to Kofi Usu a. Enka on san kwanko gina court. Enko hwe judge ni a wasua de aye lawyer cratch ni. Na cratch sem na wo Ghana na te say menti ase o. Ya de sisi nkofo nko obi ye cratch ni a ene dia ne so odi sisi ahia for Ghana wana ana me beza meti ase sa cratch sem no mo ko school ko sua de se ye ko sua de se be lawyer ye ko sua de se be ye wan judge no na de yin mutimi fam standing protect mo amo say yo we've toiled through days and nights na ye de sua de na ne ye pese ye ton ade aka be ko dwoma ko sua ade ton. But say I there for the prestige part of it. For the prestige part of it, no. And you know, yeah, ma obia me dim kwasi asem wo my Ghana mu wie. No me fire say or ye ton body, ye ton banchi. Etu onya 500 cedis bi hye ni botomu a, obetimi aba be to bi wo ye ho. Enu bi na Kofi Usu aye no. Watani am obi an say Ghana market no. Ghana a friend is a judiciary no. A concert market. A two bet me theatrics bia. Uko theatrics bia now to yesika. The judge will sit for his integrity, his prestige to be misled. And sit deliberately say, yen stooping is so low. Say, no na this you go suana na jo. As I'm so church here, and one of a firm teases or church no. It's worth nothing. Obia bet me amanisika. Only prestige bia wonimu. Only to me bia wonimu. Only power bia wonimu. What makes you a judge over somebody? The Bible even says that do not judge. So if God in his own wisdom, no. So free judges and son over kings. Ko Bible no. Free judges because there was a time when Nyankopon no use judges and the ruling we are see. And free or use kings and the ruling we are see. What also in Bible you can know, what in Quran, whatever religion you know. Free one no, and obey you to I saw for free one no, and Yankupon train, and say nipa mo amonya molano. And a politician bebem, and on so for be far down for. It will be a politician yes and be a so for now. Jumano sanity, if you about a body and yashas here, and eba, and a mouth for tapi. It's a judge in here, wako suku. Some ye cratchy. Just a more democracy, and say here ni be abijinao, as you way, Okubia upon Chimmy and San, no action, Yamianim was a corner quarter fiasi 5 years, no any aji, no akufi, no ayokuti. So, Yankupon say, Obuni Peninate. Oh, said the university. Nothing Yankupon share will hang my old Timmy Buni part time will we say, and son Obi woman a buaten, or else I will know your wine. So you cannot sit in the seat of God and judge people like the ways of men because you are chasing money. Mr. Judge, Mr. Whatever you are watching me, let me tell you the truth, the deepest truth. You cannot accept the responsibility of swearing into the seat of God in human form and try to rule over the people or use the power that has been given to the selected few judges on earth to use it in a human approach, to use it to suit your own human desires. There will come a great judgment day for you, and it's not gonna be after your death. No matter what secret society you join, you should know this wisdom. And I'm telling you that you being a judge, the law of karma, the law of the universe, the great architect of the universe is not going to spare you. because he assumes that spiritually, physically, you are fit to sit in that seat, in this vehicle, in this body vehicle that you are carrying around. He believes that when he gives you the chance, you are going to be godly, because to be a judge over something is godly. That's why the Bible says do not judge, because you have to be so godly to know that even before you have to judge someone, you have to be kind to them first, because kindness is godly. And America say, your friend say Galatians chapter 5, verse 22 to 23. Or say the Spirit of God produce love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, humility, and self-control. And there's no such thing against these things. Eti Mr. Judge, I will tia kunyemwa, and Kofi Usu subject mo to intellectual ridicule. Amobi say you people are becoming worthless. I mean, I cannot go against the whole judiciary, because I can see, say, about 10% of the judiciary are level-headed, and they understand the mission and the vision why God chose them out of that 30 million people sitting on the land of Ghana. I will do mobile judges over those people, handing over another man's life in your hands, and you think, say, you can mishandle another man's life and go scot-free? Hey, munkwahwehwe judges nananananom. I wasn't ka judges nananananom na yempanyifo Ghana. Munkwahwehwe o masiwati. Koma amene mwadi. Let it sink deep. Unim judge bi akwa na kwahwehwe ne nananananom current say e de na ekoso wo mabram. Enti wo judge na wo ti akonwa mu na for a lifetime wo watimi abama ewiase nyina bow down to wo. Nipa wo wiase unim nipa ya adwene. And yama kitikiti we kwa see a deal or yama kusu ahwewa. She struggles so. Na she say a whole 30 million people be abe bow down say wo de obetina konwa so. Na wo can say nipa we waye bone emfa ne ko hye dem na de wo hama boss we beji atu. You think say a wo humanly power na say Mr. Judge, baby, I do say, you people are being subjected to intellectual ridicule. Eti an activist like Kwaku Kristo no. Mene wo bekasa, mimi hune say wo betimi akosuya de na kofi wusu we ya ono onko baby and betimi abefa wo say I don't have time say I feel I may be addressed so honorably, because you are not leaving anything honorable in the judiciary system, which is an arm of government. That is the most dangerous part of the whole thing. Say the judiciary system, aside you people having the authority over another man, because nyankopon bo nipa no wankasa obi a medi obi so, but oye ne hyehye epeja nipa bi buru nipa bi so tie enti wo tie ase na wo ka no kra uduru ba bia tumi wa na ani monyame wa na se wo pese wo furu duru so na wa bre won ahye ase enti eno ne almost started the chechire enkro ne kingdoms. You see a powerful people, or you see a powerful person who has a vision, and then not more join it, then it becomes hierarchical. Now a hierarchy. Took Ashanti region, Ashanti kingdom. It was formed from the basics. Any papa could be an waku could drew. And I was starting here. Na kikri. Omokuano muku drew baby and was a tafuni and issue. No tafu in any brand, yakunye and young cooperative. Judges, you have blundered enough. And whatever blunder I'm committing, I'm telling you, say, to the intellectual people around the world, no, it's rather unfortunate, say, it wasn't used that way. It's making our judiciary, look gibberish. Like, what is going on? I'm very sorry to use these words on you, but I'm telling you, say, maybe a judge, I will be very, very much ashamed to say, we will make sure, said, we will sacrifice them, fish them out, let them face the real, true disciplinary committee of the judgment, whatever you people got, and make sure, say, you come out with the truth, because this thing is going to hang around your necks, and your names shall never depart from the history books of Ghana, that you people as judges sat for the judiciary to be ridiculed on an international level like this. You sat for the judiciary to be reduced into trash by an ordinary galamsey. an ordinary Ghanaian, the same ordinary people that comes before you and you choose to ask them for money knowing that they are coming from poor backgrounds. I'm telling the judges in Ghana today, that take it from me today. This is half of the year 2026. And if that blunder is not strictly corrected, it doesn't matter what secret society you join. It doesn't matter where you think you have protected yourself. The universe will not be selective in the justice, the poetic justice that is about to hit the judiciary of Ghana. I know what I'm talking about. You, the judiciary, are the top of the pyramid, and it will hit you. That tsunami will sweep the judiciary. Don't say Kwaku did not say it. Anybody that is deep, that joins any whatever society, should know that the time of the dark whatever is over. Winter is over everywhere. It's shining around the world. So, upon the rising of the sun, the sons of the sun must be wise, for the shine will chase the dark away. It doesn't chase it away because it is trying to rule over it. It's chasing it away just to beautify the universe. Baby, I do no more make us an judges and lawyers na make us at home. Judge or what about your first lady? You ever bet you are my wife? It's the American say Ghana judge for Martina ho. Ama Kofi Wusu to sack any Baba Jama because or your MP or connect with the current government. Ama Moluki like said the Munim the Moye. Mama Moluki sebe to say the Ghana judiciary no a baller. A bon can. I has chance CPC baller na down. Kwada so baller kesim. Can a cool plaster and kwan guso. A bomb. A portal to disgrace. Said the baller a portal to spirituality. Spirits be on the one on person. Me say, Sadiana Mama Kofi Wusu to sack. Etimidi 1 year. A high court. A boom in any tia because of say more de a bore atomosono. A ferry. I may catch them say. Someone shed. Na say ni pam you know we ya. O matina se die ni da ho. E de Ghana mra. Ebu oba bi kwase to the extent say Charles Kwadwo su funu ayera wo. Ntio. Na se mo ahwe nsiesie asem we. Na mo true principles e free say onyankopon a obo ade no. Sa mo gidi so obi wo ho so ye nyame o sa mo nyini o. Wakosi Kristo society ansa na aba be judge no. It me ka kire wo say unim the wo wiase. Unim the kura wiase. Unim say there is a great architect be there is an energy, there is a force be a controller asase we. It me pesa me ka kire mo say de maye no maye niam bebre na mo hu se mo ye bibia na so akata na we die a triangle is a pyramid that is going to stand forever. It me pesa me ka kire mo say se mo anhwe na ba bia no kore da se onyankopon ko ana we ye otemuafo wo wiase na wo frɛ wo hu temuafo no na wanfa nyame su ama me ye temuafo no se mo anhwe otemuafo na odemo atena na konwa so efiri se onyankopon wa monipa bi anche nipa bi na wa monipa bi so medi nipa bi so na emom oye nhyehyeye to wo ma nipa ze bi mu frosro etinyansa ni hu de obi wo wosoro sa ade kane ye bosoro ni a otimi di akire hu nyansa anu nti bese me kire se obi a wo ye krachi ni na oni ma kenkan na nani da wona na adwene ye adwuma bia ohu se Ghana judiciary no e bon kan na de obo na ade na wo de mo matena na konwa mu no mo se mo mfa ne su ne ban enka ho na mo de mo nipa tibia ene mo yefuru ne mo ye mo kom ebetete ade a ono na bono mo de sa ade no mo de bagegimani e de agigi sika mo de nipa nkwan agi sika Mudi nipa ahome ejiska efiri se mutimi ma judgment bi oba bi home a insisu no wo ye mebusa won monana mo na bebre monana nananom omo bebre ba momo de ne de mo bebre firi se onyankopon ototorobo nso okoji akonyankopon de obo ade ye o share na de bo ase na ode atemuafo na okasa fo mo so de omo di wiase so na ode ahemfo be di wiase so na afi obeyi na di ifo te se Jeremia mo de omo be di amoman so no na sankrofo a wo start di mu di aman so nyina ntwam no na afi o ja nipa ankasa pemu ma no na politician be so mu sa nyankopon a wo ti Ghana asase ase no ye friend Amagana ne say me kan kire mo say atemu obi amaye no aforibo bi abeduru nanim na semo anhwe na mo ntumu na yansi a ensu yiri bi be yiri afa judiciary nim emfa ho ne wa we innocent emfa ho ne wa na won support emfa ho na esiwi a mo ba be hwehwe Kwaku asema maka ne no mo pa mo date efiri se ade na amaye no ano odene enipa fun nipa na nimonyama a eka akiri mutimi tena ho edi sika to so enya ade ye wrong mamo efiri se school ni eye ade ye wrong teacher ni e ma ne hu se ye wrong the teacher ni ma ne hu na wante ase o ma headmaster hu na headmaster hu ne hu wante ase a ye ma ne maame hu na ne maame hu na wante ase ye yi na di ma ne kwotena fie e ma mantemfo nyina hu tie nyansa iti wa we judge onyame de ubedi na nem se betina na nem ena odi nipa ahye wonsa iti bone a wudi no ebeba wo so ebi betiti ahwe bi be yare muhu yare o muhu de ebeye mu efrisa wo no maduro bi a wodi nsuo begu so nsuo na ane na edili mo ka se munim nyansa see above for the air 1 2 3 to form a pyramid to fight for this justice. And that is how far we have gone. To make them more joining secret societies, more joining a lot of things. Go and ask about the wisdom behind whatever I'm saying right now and know it. Say, you people should lift up your tools and work and craft it out. Say, okay, some people need to be shifted out. Say the Ebeya, whatever tsunami that is coming to hit the judiciary. Because a bam, but it's not gonna watch who it is. Say papa we have a ridiculous spirit a tag Ghana judiciary. Ama obia wo actually be a won't mean kasebia say you people are a bunch of jokers. I'm telling you, your health will be more health na that is the only thing you people cannot fight. More power be Ghana. Yangopon were smart. Yangopon were very smart. Ensuo na wunya wu na asema America no. Say wo yare a enye ensuo na be no. Wo yare a wunyare etimu be ma anye papa no a. Ensu de mo de be sabo ho yare bia na ensuo ne be neutralize mo. No kwa na ni se me ka kire mo. You people should know better. It oba kunafo no ye kina ne din ye so ogunyame so ne akachi onyankopon say Awurade say ye wutumi a me etimi mo nsuo mi ensa no ye bo ni preni so no ye bo ye chi titi ye chi nam na nso ye hye ye ko mu de firi say honhon konkron no ba wo so a ma wa hoden enti ye wo fa no ma mo te judge dem o ye firi ateni ye kwan so ye kanya ansase ma kire mo say ya ba for de no na ne prensa no ye tu ye na nsuo ne ba ye no about the capital of Ghana. It's Mushe. She say no, asemuna yebeka no, ye be any, ye the documents neniema. We are taking it to a different level, intellectual level. It's me the asema mabeka chile judges no, and for free advice. Say nipa too no, you people should truly and honestly. And found say, well now ready dama I mean a chi secret. Unta will be a chi secret. Can't you know? When the time is due, and that's a Mother Earth, Soria, it's gonna be marvelous. Very, very marvelous in Ghana. Very, very marvelous. Now, the American say, na Kwaku na team league na say. Mr. Mo. Empire na ye boy and ye born empire and say, Adia be aso de tia ma me ni bia no, obo ade nyamfa ne nyansa ne. Enti, ye hu said ye si wo ya ha no, ne kase ye pa be si opposite side. Enti ye na ye ho so. Na ye nyina ye nhwe. Na bibia weke. And he said, it's always peace after war. It's always cooperation after a dispute for the wise. But you cooperate for a movement to move. You cooperate. You can cooperate and love people from a distance. You can cooperate when everybody has established their vision and their mission and people has truly accepted. Then a true leader and a servant of the people will stand up and open up his doors for cooperation that shall bring prosperity, positive one. Cooperation that shall enhance a system that shall be able to generate funds to move the vehicle that we are trying to drive in search and in quest for justice. So let's give time some time. Keep praying for positivity. And no, say, Bibiabe, come. DCBiano, a cassis is. Nah, see, I see a dobia. And mere way, and I was see a training panado. See, I see a dobia. And mere way, and I will nipan and I'm trying times because we went underneath the earth in search of the truth. And if this is how the truth is going to come out, then me and you should sieve our ears and sit in our seats and listen and still let love lead. People are supposed to go through what I see as atonement, and people should accept this, that it comes before every great breakthrough. I have been atoned. I know this wisdom. So I stayed quiet and accepted it. Because in one way or the other, I'm human and I may have moved imperfectly. So my atonement has come. And I'm telling everybody that this is your time for your own atonement. But how solid you can stand in respect of the mission and the vision to fight for justice for Mame Akusuya Sewafus. This is the time. Show love to the people you say you love. Show love. Be kind before you judge people. But at the same time, atonement seasons should give you reason to know what to follow, what to love, what to cherish, what to channel your energy, your blood, your sweat into, who to believe in, and who to follow, who is genuine and who is fake. But just like I said, when love supersedes everything, after war, you pour your soul out. After war, you seek for cooperation. After war, you let love lead. After war, you let people seek for understanding. After war, you build cooperation. So what I'm saying is to all team legal wise, ASF4, whatever. Baby, I have a Drew no. Me dear, in Suana you to know, nay for the ball. Na the miminim woman, Samuel, minim, and minim dear Mukakran say, Sempen Pino, O Padia Flu Yankupon. Nasa was Senona dear more dear. Bia. Nani pana one in a yard, dear no. Our bargain be or no bargain because whether we like it or yes, is the power of light and darkness working together. And then maybe I see a working positive and negative. It's be an only bait in this one. And this is our sacrifice, oh Lord. We have been fighting this battle for a very long time, oh Lord. So we sacrifice these boreholes. We are choosing to go dirty in search of clean water to feel good, and let humanity taste the goodness that comes after the dirtiness. It's the mechanic say, they see a biano, Kwaku, Madame Kamadjuna, Obia Canadjuna. The mum, man so, if we say, about Jine who say, Sabako too bon, some may bow for the Yamanyame. Say, a Musiana, a friend say, Titina almost she will join one, a Kamusi be family. It is a Musi any beer family, a media metiasia. Maybe cram and some can be, I make a kaya and one so train a number biba. It's my jema too. It's Modia Yam Pamechi. It's baby Ayababu 3, and they will quada. Yameko Kume say, a order, and I'll never do Nipena and I would dinner chino. Aha, and I want us a test on what I say. Na she say any pay as see our nam situation any pay say and some can ya be mu anim was here tunu say any pay na your don am de don no ana say na ya maame akosu ase wa ho don na bi so so na wo say ni pa no so tena se hunu say asem to me yi ana ba bia me na mu sesie e me ame ho enti na me nya problem yi ana ya maame no ho enti na me nya problem say wa ho enti na nya problem na no atu ho no who say nya wa won tokwa na woku na mu ya maame no tokwa na woku na mu ya maame no na wunya problem there, then it means say ade we confirm say ampa you are really fighting a good cause. It mean me I'm not here to slander anybody. I'm not interested in say be that form I'm go really nyina na konso me ye bema china me na so ne bema na na so ko ni po jina na so na me pene tokwa nya de watofo it dey make can say baby I do know a kun sia ya kun me kun me no be kun baby ya be kun pa ya kun wie na sentiase ba akiri a afi no yenye se enka bo mu se chinchina atwan bra me wana me mra ho da bi na e free be cooperation. Let's bring agendas together, meet at one junction and then cooperate and make things work. Minimum cooperation tree na maka danyen kabu because America too justice na yepe no me de America too ko you see true mika the free say obi nkwa ensuo na si ne so keke eni da so bi no wanya keke na se ensuo na ere eni da so ne san na se yentu America nkwoje ade ne maaya na afi wo se eye ma bre eye muntu nsuo ne free me so nye ye ne de anunti me de America too it me concentration intimi nkoba bia ayi sei sa free say ya sha sie de ye fan ko wie ba na mo minim say de asi no enya asafo asu anyansa agi se nipa sabe you me kura me pɛ sabe ka o onye badwen ba nipa wonye badwene ba wonwene ɛna na ni baje obi atofom obi ayisi me de nyama asha wa obe comment tokwa wa ya de no me tokwa ne de se de me no ambeka chi ono e kuma se high school tokwa e terror squad for tokwa e tuna ma ye de god no me de me se kan de da form da no ye fire se kan ke si obi abedum jawe ji se na si adwum ye hu sa problem ne se be ba na ye ma nyankopon mo ayadom de nya asafo bi try ho hia ye dum ye nyansa ne abotre na ama because ye so mu say ye ko twetwe machine gun na be ko sa third world war we na no mo pena e ke be fire ma o mo dundum ja ne be wie no na e bi be na si adwum na mba kire o fire hanga ye na o mo ye die batanya hwe etie no me Kwaku de no odo me do no bitimi twen de ben pa me twen ben na e be ha ye mienu ye ntem o muntie o na me be so obi ba be gina ho aba be ka kire me say Kwaku no obi nkoka bom e na wo nko ha me ban hwehwe ni sama meka na obi antie se de ma adwene no ya na kire me na ye adwuma no je no de ne boy bra na ne waka wano atum wunya problems a no aye ne sa abeza me kire se me wo do me do no me twen ben on ma me kire o se me do ni o makoma mu ni so na wo so wa mama hu de o tie ti wo so de ne ba na nhia na me hu se me do na me de a kire wo no se ye mienu ye camp ye ben ana se the problem be ba me gina akire na ma do wa firi akire na emom obi se ben kro yes na emom se ade a me ye na ade a wo so wo ye no Ye nyina ebe ko bankrom so okay. Kwaku uko asham. Uko asham. Oso be so fa ke o mfimfin na nanti na tutum na uko. Ufiri adum na eba. Obi so uko asham. Ano de oso be so ko fa muru mu ono ma no ko fa seluwi ono do bisi. Eti ye nyina ebe hia wa asham de ebe nkrom. Eti say ye maami akosu ya se wa. Enu nti na ye kun for justice. Any Ghana nyina nti na ye kun for justice dia. Maami akosu ya se wa eti na ye kun for justice. Any Ghana nyina nti na ye kun for justice dia. Any obi had the strategies on fan ye be share o ba bi ba ko. Ye ko bankoma ye sign nipa ye na ye cooperation no ene ne mako. At this point, that is how it should be. It should be a cooperation. That is what cooperation is. Because there is no way say it can be monopolized. Platforms. But once we understand, because that is my understanding from the beginning, say, okay, we are warring. So if we are not cooperating now, it means war together. It's a Siano. Say, Obiaya ready, say, we want to talk for cooperation. Okay, cooperation means I'm also a suburb, and I say a part, and I say a hand. Autonomously. Open fans. Mommy, what she's afraid. Mommy,
Mumpa WhatsApp obusiafo mo share na mo invite. Why? Yeah, wa na de ya na ye. Nti mpam cha mumpa WhatsApp na mo share na mo invite obi. Ebi say to park wakana. To park aso because I am free. Kwaku aba.
Okay, first lady. Someone make a cross and to child. Nah, me pen once. Anyway, said the Americano. Cooperation, unity there is not gonna work now. Looking at what is going on. But I think say the broader mind will think about cooperation where everybody will have the autonomy, the liberty to do whatever they can do in their power, in their skill set or whatever. Support him, and I think say at this juncture that should be it. That I'm kind, maybe and yes, I feel no be that form, and I will see now why you see now why you see and you know if you say because ye will buy and I'm imagining one I'm in tears here. Didn't I mean my ear out? I'm saying I don't go up on you over being a miniman because not my ear. It is a saying about and yes, and you'll be over any beer baby. Said the be Americano. I didn't hear and will be over any beer or review. It's you'll be as well, Jimmy than it's will be honest tire or applying in Yama, will be any time I will withdraw free. It's the American say, so oh, doff will be now torment because Kwaku my Jimmy dear. My Jimmy dear. To be a Jimmy dear, now or doff will be now a tannet here, now a tannet then. I'm only in a chino, you who say. Yeah, any na bit me as I be over ne back. Na said the ana minim say, baby, I would know what a chirabuan as one was, baby, I deny a children, young was an one and pimpino, a fan fully no be the two. It is send Cabo Moon dear, and ya dear Bebano. I think say cooperation dear, a great leader be and on a santi for a little santi mine. It will share. Your man point no couldn't talk as a for any kun. I'm a kun for Paroko old. I'm a kuma who's a setup near and talk setup. I set up no man, or be a couldn't talk on this year. It's a do maybe I'm the Bobo Munano and a mutate and I'm also okay a sanity young cooperative. If we say, you grab a tea, yen I can boom one, or more I no want to Pankazaya bro from a life, and it's a process of growth. So, men I'm a tea growth as a metias here. It's baby I will do no dear. Maybe I'm moving on. It's the American actually also name is a shedding. Name Bombay and a woman yansa, or the bedjina the Ujinamuno. Now, what you tomb say, maybe I no pray when I'm a name Miss Robert the Adams, or Mammy Adum, I'm commenting. So I also be different no dia ensem bebre nti yesremo ba bia bedru no timliga fo ma mo yam hyehye mo ma me fo ne ade obi aka ne bonto ne yam na mo nu se enhuru a enwo enhuru a emmene ana first lady what the aduane asija so enhuru a mene da oh na ara muni ya na ulori a woni maduane no a
Of I mean, my pie,
12 abo ada ne adu so the aduane si eja so na se enhuru a bebene
how many on a carbon of a fashion of a bene?
I am getting kitchen way. Now the aduane si ja so se fa ne se ono aboard there se board there din anambo abayire edin na esijane so a esi so no ano ehuru a eya na nsuo ni bi gugu abonten ana
Aye, a bit me put
ana nsuo na de bi hu ano obewie onya ni nyina pepepe se ebi nsuo cup miensa na me de taa board there hu ba onu awie nsuo cup miensa na ta wonya bi da
Father be there unya ni nyina
ebi we ansa na apene
unya ni nyina ebi we pa unya ni nyina
na say hit na ya de no aboard there na edin no ebitimi we nsuo ni nyina nta ho pepepe
Debbie. Nsuo ni timi nta ho pepepe no kwa asamba
say dia edin dia ya no bia no say ade edin ya no say be emra na mbo a say mama fa board there nto nchen ebia na metwa ntro banchi say edin it is always say banchi emre na ade wo fufuo banchi edin ba say emre na su banfa so a ya na wo ye ne de ono anambo a etudi tu so nyumra jesiwa ade be chobe ba na abene
oh Debbie wa father be ade be che na mene
this also just say body ade na
I just also ja sentina ya wo kasa bebuo bi se ayi ya kan se banchi kura no se nya eja na kire enti sani etie bia no eja na be kire
ana eze wote no so ba manji so sensuo cap miensa wa wo fi obetimi aye experiment we aro fansuo cap miensa ana fa bottle say na wa hu de o measure sa miensa na fa ku bayira na body ye ho ne no a uwie a body ane bene pa sa de wobetimi adi a enye hypocrite sa mansuo ne nyo na bubu ne fa ba kirem se Kwaku me bubu wie me se nya ayi miensa
ofa de wo muni wan we ye kura bottle miensa na wo fa ye no wonya mu kota kura ewe kura ama ka se kakra bi sa na tie na kire se aduane na bene na nsuo na ye pika eno kire se aduane no abene sa
na body no kwa ba se sonson anya nsuo na bi ka na ari ata ho na sonson dada de ni bi eno so na me like
na odi bi odi nsuo ni bi odi nsuo nyunu eno so kura ba sa de nsuo nyunu na asonson no sa na tie
etie ne yemre yenyina kitchen ho enti no me se me kire se ade bi adin aye no bia no ansa na bebene ne yedi nsuo gu ho nsuo na begu ho ya buru gu bia ehuru afaso ehuru faso a nsuo ni bi be firim nsuo ni bi begu fom afirim nsuo ni bi ntimi ma back nsuo ni bi betena aduane ni mu na nsuo ni bi aka ho a kire se ampa yedi nsuo na aduane na de wo hweja no so no kura no wanu ne ntema nsuo na wo hu no nyina atimi hye
ebe kura ma ja kura timi tot silver nim
that's
I just AI to so AI to so ediane ne timi hye ye jabidie ai ti wa mo ani anko mo dia
nsuo na huru afaso a ede nipa ni bi bebu afaso akọ ebinom ani aduane na bebe ebinom so beta aduane no se nsuo eti wo a wo gina akire no na wo se wo hu de wo ye na de make can say these are trying times because yakoba for the no nyamege a enkokwa na trying times wo a be hye wo kon achi den na wo di no kore wo maame na sem sempo wo ani no kore na wo ye mfumso na wo je wo no wo di no kore wo mfumso di mu a next time mechanic because that is how my brain can translate it. If you can stand in your atonement, if you can stand in your own atonement and claim and be truthful to yourself that yes, this is coming to me because I erred. That's a unya say no huna. Your ego automatically dies out. And until you become calm and collective for the situation. And until The American say some soldiers are meant to fall, but some soldiers will continue the war. It is dependent on how far they can stand to be truthful in their times of trials. Because after the trials comes the triumph. After the trials, it's always the triumph. But he who can stand in the truth and knows that triumph always comes after trials will always walk through the light, no matter how dark it gets. Stand and protect the integrity that shall one day be a blessing when the day of atonement approaches. It's me say, careful. Say, Oba de Nyankopon bi hwe. Say na ye say, ye ne yadamfo bi ya de kokoam. Say na ye me say, me ne first lady ya de bi kokoam. Say na ye me say, me ne Gloria ya de bi kokoam a ye hu say eda bi betimi aba. Na nya atemu da na ya ka no, atemu da bi betimi asi. Ye ho be hyehye ye, achensa atemu da na ye suro no. Eti ye bibia. Ye nsuro say, kanea na eda ye so na hu. Le sumbe to so a ebetimi akosie de ehun se aduaba da form a yegusugugu sunsuo efiri se suban etese aduaba
na se afade wo
sunsuo na yaka se ade ase ade chi a eduane ni ho first lady dem ni mbabi onena Gloria otibi okrom no wan wo se dua bi si baby first lady Germany wonam wan wo se na dua bi si a na okoba na na ye ntwa yo ba ade chi na dua na yira
Debbie me hu bisa.
Okay.
Hu bisa. De me hu
the American say and from so ba from so ye to aso na bedane nipa suban enu ti na American say se wo gu ade ne sunsu a en na nwene say wiabo a obi hu wiabebo nti esrem de otesi ase kwaku ayo den o anytime I be different na emum tena se na wa ankasa fa utibu na wa adwene di akire na hwe niema a ekoso ne de esisie no na wa ankasa ehu de ewum na emum de meka ne say odo a wo de hya ase se wo de tama me na chine de ento ntwene efiri se adwuma yesi ni akatua odo sini emfamfa so ma ti so obedo ma me no na wado no kwan nyansa so a na akwan foforo so a me gidi se de esi obi esuam nyansa me kwakuma esuam nyansa so obi aso esuam nyansa eti ebekoya nim na afi yakọ business of the day because I need to address say be obi abehu me position on what is going on. You be there say you Kwaku de say me am not me obi am pese ogina on na so na me no sa na me comment talk o da form am don talk for why on me che eti no obi an sha ne sapo mu den na yenkoya nim peace and I may say obi abadwina sumdwe on asumdwe nya chinchina and you share mu say me betete platform so abra adwene papa ni meeting bia asumdwe ne say ye nyina ya bekọ bankrum nya hu se de obi aye bia ye na bia ya beduru no se ne enim say bia de obi anye obi aye bi nye enu ti na de ya beduru a ba bia ya beduru ne de ye hu se de obi aye bia ye na ye nyina ye nkọ ye nim ayema opepa obi a de bebe join in say what de be ko mama no enya adwuma pepepe. I'm calling for cooperation, peace and cooperation. Anybody else can call for whatever they want. But I'm telling you, sir, at this point, if we want to unite, the only person we can unite behind or rally behind, and in my heart, I'm ready to rally behind all I need is cooperation. Because the unity, the symbol of unity is Mamia Kusuya Sewa. And she has not broken down yet. She has not come out to say, so if we respect her, that's the unity, no, yeah, the symbol, no man, maybe show any more cancer, Mamma, Mamma, say, hey, Mammy, we, and a symbol, no, it will not have never cross on so and I say, wow, Hamino. It's here, there'll be a see. Now, may say, Jinamaka, say, Kwakumenia Kron, Menya so for, Menya perfect. It's the see, you know, Mena Casa Kwakumedia may yet. The cassette tree will be before the sea. Who said the nipa idea? Akwara ketu akura ne metifie. Nada wo de aduane ba ko tata na da ko ka say ye mami na me di aduane fofo. Na say obanka bi nchire oda. Eno so nchire say obanim de wo so ope. Eti ye be cassette tree mo. If you say, it is said your wada. Now, O Codano, no, you know, manada. Now, if you are dear chin, I would have one thing. That's what it's you. There is here, sanity.
Yes.
I said, your old quada. What crowd, you know, my baby, I'm a storybook more money at the one of the bedtime story. That's why you are looking one. Now, if you are dear Bettina, or 20 now, one thing. You shout, you'll be amazed. It's a lot of feelings. Senyamia mem, now I'm a nyansa, no a man yansa for me, I don't for a man one. Obey any of the we go in it back. And son, a wide in a crab bound to say, I want to me, there be a man I see for one I see. Why worry at TV? My Daniel Cook wants to say, I'm a reactive. We try to respond in every good way we can to let people know, say, I didn't know you. I had there, Mobaba say, Mopen Kabum, and yet you must say, on shed that and Fabua Payo. MD will be any time will be a 1 year old she. Now, one Sam, a castle and never cambu. Yanisa. It's no quite seven say, the ACBR. While we had legal wife, Nikama Kuma to Yanaji Tum say, any process in the sanity. Sanity. Enti share. Baby as a siano, obe share, yes, yesu, or buy and say, men are one am super queridians one amboa. Thank I yesu near one can you the Church of Jesus not getting echo. Any Pentecost, any Pentecost, yo, any Roman, yo, Roman, yo, any better, yo, better, any Jehovah, yo, Jehovah. That Jehovah, no Roman near you know. I'm going to start here to see you. But who say they can unite under one belt, Jesus. You respect Jesus, no. And come on, minimum dinner. Anytime I say ASF, no religion, no, because me understanding, no. Hey, brother.
Yes.
I'm who say, let's unite behind the cross and sell this message to the world. No? Right now, apostolic name, will be kumbi. Enti wonatna se said ya wotna se awko Roma no anko Pentecost okwo Pentecost no anko Basri okwo Basri no anko Methodist no tna se ne hu asore dan ya obekoso no afa so aboa maame akosu ase wa ma na enye se Pentecost no Roman fo ene SDA fo nyina anko bu asore dan ba akumu ansa no won se asum nyame That's the judge mo amejeje me so say enye this
what dwuma dwen sisu ye pa If it says, I didn't like yen, I sing Uncle Pony, yes, no. Yen, I say Uncle Pony. I didn't hear one creme for, almost soon, I mean. I didn't hear all Buddha for. Come on, Baby Gawan, come on, Babao. Okay, Matty. Okay, what was where it was, of course. Okay, your SD, me SD, it's SDA for one SDA for us, sorry, say Roman for a sorry, being Tiano Mokunda. You be the cry. Baby, I'm quite 200-300 years ago. No, that's how no. But quite no. But I'm do baby near free big corporation. Oh, it's just no. You were SDA or apostolic. You were St. Louis or Roma or Methodist crowd. Ashton Methodist or Methodist Freeman Methodist. Yeah, Freeman Methodist or but Ashton you didn't see you. Sunday be omunyina cooperative. No omunyina akwo buy the same process no omoye no. No mo de agigiska, no mo de biaye de ombeye, no mo asum nyame, no mo aye de ombeye, no mo ko Jesus anamboa. Enti maami akosu asewa right now no. Say ye nyina aye be respecting e say ade na aye ni nyina is about her. Na ye kura no adum bi na abeto ye so say ye fifiri ye fie mu se e be kun oba bi ntokwa ama no. Na ye timi abenya bibi say alliance bi anani paku abetwa hia. It is a pasia and say, Bibia will be a free baby abani yena and Kabumu Yajumadia, and a young cooperative. Yen I am called Krumu say, yes, you crona and a son. Now you also was Yadamati, also Semene Damati, and Tokobi anyway. Obi akwayane de but ye make sure say Yesu crona and a son. It may say, Oko as the Bible no use different from Pentecost. Be the same Bible. Abba, no. Mbano. The same Bible. Mbano. Name when church no, and they different kakra. It is solution na me dey ban ne say. Wa woti wa wakoma ebo bribri. E dey enti na wokọ Pentecost na nko Roman. E dey be enti. E na wokọ aye friend say Jehovah now dey on SDA.
e won ya beduru no sam pempeso no because maami akoso se wa onyankopon aye ne kese ama na buru nipa tre abre so sisi eti nipa bebre obia pese oben no som no no de ne ho gine kun ni mu bi it is a sana be dia yan cooperate na ye mo bia anya autonomous no nya na ade say the Roman for your ma de Pentecost for your ma de eti ba bia udidie won ko first lady we the problem we memo bia amfeme kan che me say go so I me de me understanding no eti de me ye ne de me ya e mo bi me ka say na de na we mo kona ho ko pattern twen ma mo enka bom na we si no ati ase say me nim say cooperation e de beba. It's always war before peace. It is a peace in the banner cooperation, which I know say unity nema. I know the unity now. We are united under Mamia Kusuya Sewa. That should be it. Eti acquire ye nonsense so real quick. My time naka 1 hour penam kusku but first league mamenya quick. Yeah. Me say team league for it after all this message the American say victory from my book no. Inspire to respire. Page 69. Page 69. First lady question.
Okay. Nti die Kwaku kana na mum no. Enye na dwen bone nso mpa nchaw. Mompa WhatsApp mo share na mo invite. Bigiri se Nyankopon adom obi a ho je. Ye oni ase bia, ye chire nsem mu se bia. Ye konto kwa na ase bia te sa da bi. Ye nyina ye maami akosi ase wa. Ana na mane ye. Ti maami akosi ase wa ase na osi do ye yeso ye do no. Nti se esi de bigiri se Nyankopon ya adom. Bibia e kama patabo. Oye. Gloria. Oye.
Mamfa cho nyame adu. Ye ho ye pa. Nyame adu ye ho ye.
Boga. Ana boga ne ya.
Mama nyame adu mo hu yo.
Ma George na nyame show. God bless you.
Mo ho ye pa.
Okay, first lady ready amenya ne quick now. I say victory. I say winning is the only option. Winning is the only option. Hence, don't give up when all seem dark, for there is enough strength in the fist of a man's mind that can distract, abduct, and construct. So, etu free on one hour say, hence, stay strong in the mind and let your heart be kind. Osabos, never give up. Not after all the sacrifices we made yesterday for the wishes of today. Never give up. Not after all the sacrifices we made yesterday for the wishes of today. And maybe near say, Obi o what team league and mobi or hard when you be na then I see am we machine am obamu. Maybe yes, see a per se, Bibia ye, Juma Pepe na asundue ba. Na den and papa mu ba manako kan boma dane, amanti asiabe dane asundua, obi abemo. Eti you say, Sandra, ye disika bebrebe we abeta ma me echi. Say, ye pesi hu no kro gien ebe boa ye ma me na, edi eti na ya bemo. Na ya adane ya yem hihie. Edi eti ya. Eti I say, wake up every day with a positive mind. For no matter the speed of the storm, the wind can never blow away the future of time. Very deep. Say, wake up every day. Oh, sorry, wake up every day with a positive mind. And I'm about to tell you the reason why you have to wake up every day with a positive mind. For no matter the speed of the storm, the wind can never blow away the future of time. Neither can a hurricane carry away the entire earth. Your ability to breathe is a sign of victory. It may be kind of much him. But so winning is the only option. And Pempeso Ayabedri. And kunim di enkwana ka yeni bibia ye enkunim di enkwa ene ya ade ayaka se ye twa ye ho a ye ni ba bia akọ ye hwe ye nim a ye hwe ye chi a de aka na enkunim di ti ye ma no nhye ye tiri se ye ni bibia akọ ye ni ba bia akọ ye san kọ ye chi enye ye enkunim di enkwa na aka ba bia ya beduru yi eye me ami book am cho inspire to respire wa betimi ato no akenkan for wow daily life And on this note, I've thought about it, and I'm about to come up with a collection of poems. About and this will be donated to everybody. Or baby, I'm so sorry. Now, okay, kind. The Kwaku Kristo Jennifer and Sema course in the form of a poem. Now, I know so you be doing come. As time goes on, no, yeah, they are not so bad. I said, don't give up on when all seem dark. Say bibia ye tum se niema mu ye kusua ma wabamu mu na mom o say say wa adwene no say ye onse twede minim star mechanic there is a fist ye wo bibia ti say de otimi mu atwede wo wa adwene mu a ma wa adwene mu ye dene iti say wo hye wa adwene mu den wo tebia na esum ni mu na so onya di na so say esum ba bia chi han ba o ma wabamu mu and I say sa to me no a etimi pa adwene mu no muntie o etimi say ade etimi gi ade na etimi so e construct ade na etimi bo ade ta adwene corona etim pempen so a eduru no ye team legal for na ASF for na wo say me hu say out of this chaos that is going around are we here to destroy after this or we are here to construct cooperatively. Etienne Twaso or say, and stay strong in your mind. Ma wajini mu enye dene. Wajini, emunye dene. Na who say, yes, there be a dear way a nipa we are done a dintino. And I make from our gentleman who say, a quite way na me get it to my men. Said the Pentecost, Okoy, and one committed this. Sabe Pepe. And he said, Koya debia, a drain happy. Saying in a yantia, see we are. But it is stay strong in the mind and let your heart be kind. Ma wajini sipi, nemo mawakuma. Kindness cry day. Kind cry, can it say? Mr. Crady, say.
Mrs. Come,
Enya papa, ana papa yo.
come a kind. I wodo.
Wakuma nye papa yo, like enya timama nipa, something like that. Enya, oh, also ye kind. Who say, oh, there be. Nipe wanya dear. So enya shi. Na nipe wanya dear. Sophie, Pentecost Sophie, Adia way wanya de. But me man shimia to the extent that meja yesu achidi to make Roma. Yes, I in never been able to yemu. So never give up. Muda. Not after all the sacrifices we made yesterday for the wishes of today. And yes, sikabebri awatuya adajie awodi sorry. Say no krebia nedi wo ma me na semu na say no kura na start na e prupru wo ho a e ma wo ye mo nhyew emom say yetimi ye abosa afode no e de nyina to ye still a ye nko ye nim say ye de nkunimdie no ntini enam ye obisi ayem ye kindness ayem ye me da say TikTok Naomi was it wake up every day with a positive mind it will sorry there be a positive chese nkunimdi adwene no matter the see enra no kwa no fa nkunimdi adwene sorry na hunu se ya de bi mpo na enra ye wa odi nkunimdi adwene sorry nti unim se enko ye but enko ti your first lady ye kan wanwade a ensida kuro na wonyini kuro wa huda ba se won so wanyini
na hu se manyini
nya wanwade
ya wanwade pa
yes eti se se wo yare na say you say sorry na nko de anya wanwade a wadwene ne nheda nko so but so mo wadwene ko so na you say oh ene me nan no aka be 40% na ko ade echi house oh me nan aka 30% na ko ade echi aka be 20 ma me hwese metinya tinimu a mo wanza fe o baby ana ultimate no ya na kekere because adwene no wa ma na ye wonya tumi no so I don't think that will be any stroke will be any way because adwene ntimi function it will pega na insana adwene no ntimi kan che na insana say mpega enu tu no nya yare so they make confess it is also na and then I'm preference
move attention
so eti so na sa adwene no wa wo hye ne den asem we dey den dey but minim say me koda nya ne no adwene be man baby am ehuri afa obeda nya ne na solution ni da so eti wo sore na hu say me yare no e ko 10% abetimi dey 9 days kura san ho yare wo de wa adwene enti ano so wo ne ye wa ogidie mu nya me na me beka say wa ogidie okay Eti o say fankunim di adwene sorry na ehun say emfa ho storm cry kan say ebo ana ehum emfa ho ne say de ehum na tu eba hu emfa ho
Baby.
emfa ho ehum na etu no emframa na ebo hu no entimi mfa emre enko awurade nyankopon obi ntie o emframa na hu no entimi mfa emre enko emamre ntwam
Baby.
eti se mere powder wanimu a emframa ne twam a mere pa ne beba enu nti gina wona so menya sofo me se gina wona so so duam fa homa chechire ho bo bibi mu dwane ko hyedan bi mu ko bo bi punum ne pa na chew se mframa ne bo me pa wa chew aha ne be mi ametimi abehye na nya gidie bi se mframa ne betwamu ama ade be chiachina echina no pa 12 bebo se wo ho wu ni ho me se echina no pa 12 bebo man mframa ne mfa onko se mframa ne ntimi mfa echina no pa 12 na bebo no enko. First lady, asma meka no, minim so bi beti asia ba me ka anwen nsem me ana sa na tie. Mframa na ebo huhu no, ebu nnua, ebu nchense, ashtown. Ensu oto anase okosi, ma me se besi abo no. The simple reason being say, ashtown houses no old. Eti the probability say ensu ne bona mframa mfa na oyo nso ya akora kone nam no. Chense dan bi betimi apa betwa no. More. My mom coming. Hold on a second. I'm about to be done soon. Okay. So, it's the probability say, Sadi and bet me a who have born, more. But they make catch on say, Sam from Anokrano, ain't to me in fat time, ain't to me famarenko. It's me repada when you more, a woman in a beba, na I am to us. Or say, neither can a hurricane carry away the entire earth. Ensu yiri ebetimi ayiri Accra ensu ayire Accra koda ensu ayiri afanipa ensu ayire bubudan Accra ankasa no wo dey yafa wiase nyina akura yafa nkran ensu ayiri wa Accra yiri Accra kuro no yasori anopa Accra kuro nyina ni oda se asi ensu de nkran kuro nyina akọ first lady atibida gloria atibida
Papa, Pacho yenti bida enye no krekwa.
Your friends okware ote your friends bookroom. O kwa ajibo to no. Ensuo to etimi yira be fa case ne ko fa no ti onyina. Ya hu se ensuo de ajibo to ne ko fa no ti onyina akoda.
Dabi ye hu bi kurada.
Tanete eti hunu se de ACB abetwam. Na emum de otimi tintim na ogina ne nan so wona ma ne hunu mu no. Ono energy ni kuro ogina ho. Eti nsuo na etwi fankran so no edan na ye week ne de ebekọ eno de ekọ enuadan bebrebe bubu akọ eno de ekọ efiri so mu ni foundation ba wo betimi agina wona aso nsuo ni mu no no hu so wa ma ne huni edan a wo sisi gata no eno ti na nsuo twi fa wo so no na obeji saa de na tumu no se nsuto ne yiri free wo etwamu a utimi gina wona aso a obetimi ahunu nyansa no aga se gata ya no mentina bi mekọ ba bi amakosi medan. President, I want to see. I think you have a business of the day. If we say, "Mamu sa amafo bebre abamu obu." Na sa na wi ase no tie pepepe. First lady as article form. Eti dey kan, enye team league afo nko afa ko wa akasa wo wi ase abrabom. E no ntotue mu ne hu say sa na wi ase we. Sa na wi ase we.
No madam sama engine.
Mesako boss first lady.
No madam sama engine chire.
It was say your ability to breathe is a sign of victory. So utimi home no. Wanya watimi aso anopa wo home. We okay no kwa na chese wadi nkunim. E wo enra de na esi biaso. Ye fa won esi. Inspire to respire. Okwa amazon.com da okwa Kristo we de me ami book. E ka se be ya be koma oto e ba me ano. Be chile. Me be bo stick, me be bo Jamaica for aduan, be bo India for aduan, me be bo Korea for aduan. Ame mo na ma funu nhyehyɛ. Enko ma ho. We ye Miami do. Eni. Miami di auto Miami kafa we Miami do. E ba Miami ho. Anyway. Me business of the day. Kwa na ma me wana me boss. What do you want? Okay, as I talk,
I'll tell Daddy something.
you're always the one that has something to say.
Abusa from WhatsApp na mo share. Kwaku nya ancheche nkwa no cheche osaye. Father was saying the man and couldn't man ye. It's me pacho. Mon power tap, mon share me did some hoye. Mr. Mo and I'm requesting and ya boapayo. If you send Kibina no be agent in her. And so no, any iron semen air or Cassana so be distracting a yarn I had. It's Mr. Mopa, I drew time. As I see a picky will be a bepicky will be a man. About the Cassabi. Yanamo and I started, but still I assume say, as a young monk shall antiasie. Aha. Oh, Olivia. And go on shall what say? I mean, shall pass. Just say, or draw more macqua could ye, or draw this from co. A or dos from quantities, a would one tiasie. Intino, Edina Madam was said, the young coupon yard do more. Or chain Sunday no. Ye baby ensue back one beam. Not just I ensue me and son. Not just saying a mean munyaman, yes, no. Ninkunim dian ye corner.
First lady, may I sure say by this time, come on the pump, Nekusi, you know. Yeah, the Buna Cassin. So, Marco Tonano, yeah. I'm going to turn on pay. I'm the receipts never send. Why? Okay, anyway, yeah, my business of the day because, and my copper me once a mama, and go for I'm go school. It's me no more that this afternoon, the end, I just say, I don't know mobile no more back, it's really a mayor way, no. And then on lawyer Fatima, you know, and my sister Farah, big shout out to you. Sending me article be, and I was so much interested as the at the end of my kind, you know, and the course on the dame cano. And me cry me say, me my bread, my dream, my bread, means me cushion law. And I wasn't a call law school because and someone here cano, can brand and sana chile. It will be see a cum. Na Ghana judges who ridicule sa friend is a Baba Jama and associates do move him. Na medical call Mr. Remo, Roman father sem na personal mammy. Mr. We mammy penny, baby a druno, ye better fire. That's on timia, commercial break, conum tea, conum cook. What is a Roman father ye the next 5 minutes and one back. Firstly, do it in a casacho mama me wada.
Aye, Omati was here. Roman father be almost say, oh,
what did I say? Mamma, for you know, and I say, I'm a cook, who only makes you.
That be Roman father, the almost support.
It's a sem cacra.
Roman father, the almost support too. Roman father and quite the almost support to say, Bonija.
Roman father was your penny. I will eat a quasia, but UK, I won't see any answer. Quasia, people's teacher Jimmy Forban. I wouldn't even answer what Jimmy T. One man would do be a bush, I was saying, Roman father. Peter Paradise. Mene ne bada mene ne be interview na wie no. Sada na ewie na e ba ba chew. Sada na ewie e ba ba chew Roman father kwase aboa. Aboa. Ah wona nam se wo ye lumba manager. Na me boss de. Na me boss de. Na me boss de. Wo de wo Jimmy kotu eska. Say yenko. Na yenko di wo boss na tem. Roman father. Me say all days no the numbers na e kan ba say ya. Kind Basia Roman father, would Jimmy na what Jimmy a channel? But say your days are numbered because me uniminya, Nasa me cast me no everlasting. Everlasting. Now me say we are about to make an official report, and I'm about to also write a petition to the cyber crime unit of Ghana. Now me the petition ni be babetoa, no official report no so me the babetoa. And then from next week, the whole of next week, my agenda is to get you, Roman father, arrested through every means I have on this social media. And I'm promising you, say, I don't fail myself when it's a personal mission. I don't fail myself when it's a personal mission. Yo, me since when I be too one cry no, I will be free home. Nipa bien wa be ko na nima benya favor wa kra wo biem da kanyankopon krontiase. E kanyankopon ma nsuo free asase se e ba asase ase ba no. Se wo Roman father enkwase favor na wo kwaje gina duro so na wo de ye nya ye no. So obetimi akọ obi anim se wo kọ kansem e de asai ma me akosu ase wa na ye adwuma. Me si nyankopon na wo ma nipa nsuo nom. E wo oyoko onyankopon na wo ma nipa nsuo nom. I was suafu. Onyankopon no a obema nipa nsu anu mo nkran no enko ntiase wo your favor before men is being washed away within this triangle. And I may say, I will press you and I will push you because I know, say you will fall for it. Whoa, you better chill. And the cyber crime boss, I will look out for you, Dean, or you Dean, one and that DBBI. And at this point, I have my own ways. Under the command of the ASF goddess, boss, Unyamekesi, Mammy Abosia Sewa, but to me, ja. Someone chill Roman father. Oh, the same idea I'm going to think of for Ghana one make kabipia. Hey, for 1 week, my first cyber crime boss, CID boss, my for Biabejina, because already CID boss, the way who move you Ghana no, it tells us a lot. And I'm still dissecting to you, and I will come to your matters. Because the way I will see movie, echo parties, and relating with some people, list more desk. So no, we are beginning to see, say, Ghanaians need to pay particular attention to you, madam. We need to throw a particular light on you, but I will come on you another day. The cyber crime boss. At the end of Roman father, you know, we have evidence. We have his Roman friend say mobile money or the 2 years cano. And then we are telling you, sir, we know, say you people are equipped with enough intelligence to go to MTN and see some of your transactions now. It must me country say report we be munsum. We will also maybe say maybe throw Roman father on petition. Roman father, make sure we answer. Next will say, me am I say me fewer. I will deal with you intellectually. What the best street crowd they want to know what do me. Pasisiano, I'm about to show you some intellectual power. I will drag you. So I drag him and say, well, enough. You are sneaky. You have been sneaky enough. But now you have come head in head with the light. Let me catch it all. Let me say, Roman father, by the time I finish with you, your stupid ass. Your stupid, foolish ass will be in jail. I swear to God. Oh, by the time I finish with you, I will show the world the power of my activism through you. Roman father, me say, me no, a everlasting beef. For you to send my photo with my wife, say, obi nkwaya me boneno. Me say, me no, a everlasting beef. Now that will be right America, crowd me vie. Who America, my ye. That will be too nice, American. I'll become rich and I'll show you how. Kwasia. Uko jina wase kwinema abeka wa asemzo no obi ada uko jiska. Abua Peter Paradise ako platform to platform to platform. Ukwasia. Abua udini kwamfua uko obi fiesa uko manejina. Mwako jana ni monyam. Abua ni brebre for Roman father. Bonsam be bonsam owo bofo owo e ba be bopun kwasia wono oyire no ma me say mo ba bre a chema me abusu se wa bre efiri so ono de onipa abegina mama no aboa wo ba bre enkrama kura be sa po wono oyire enkrama e be po wono ma ba bia mokopem mo bia say ya yare sana mokopa enkrama be po mo ama mo dwane afiri wo wo ya boa. Me say who ye botrobo jo na nim de nyakopo say oba nyura ye nyunu oba hia ye hia o say botrobo jo de oba fiwa fa nanum na me say ya manya nkopon enough sacrifice of water say aboa bi ti say wu Roman father oba fiwa fa nanum o pa fa sand down.
My father be sure be
To petition, you know, ready. The public will sign. Because ASF for be sign, Team Liga for be sign. If not for any Team Liga, I know say Team Liga America for any Germany for be sign.
Oh yes.
I will push for your arrest. Nyaka say bi because be public sa na me pen sa. Me yema hade a o me pen na ese me nkasa na me esi da bi tia we tia take initiative. Oya lawyer na say ba be found you to esca ma why ye na e say adwuma we na ye ma ye onye na be intimidate you say mu case na hu you don't deal with Kwaku like that, you deal with a man. Me a man na me be anyway it's the American say Roman father me and I may be now time me nya nkwa time hey obi anye de opeso ye foforo bia ba wo me no wo die ne de ye personal Vendetta because when I mammy was just a wenya. And I was sending me a casa more personal. Roman father, dear mayo. Dear mayo. I dear me the mayo. One way you don't know, a internet so. Over bonsem, so over bonsem. We don't know. My money fame. I'm a UK ono. Opio be able to we don't pass your ban. They say, my money big fame. Our internet so. I'm a Opio UK market crab and a crying to be man. Chima machi no yere kwasi abana ontufu na ne ho abɔ ne ho so ne ho se paano a ye de asija so ne ho se paano a ya no a paano a ya sa no a wo yere no ne ho se paano a ya yere enu nti wo kwasi ampanyi ni ti se wo oba be ware no na busuafo sa de ye mo ayi articulator ma ebesi adumu ma kwasi a oba fon sa bere no atufu mo ayi nyansasem akoni miyansa e confront kan josema ai ade a wo ye na nya na musuma nyina duma me na tifi na meti aburuchiri wo yire na wo abɔ na wo so na no wo ye kwasi aba na busuafo kura hu ne so mfa so class 1 teacher chimifo class 1 teacher fo bebre adwene ye adwuma because mo na tete nkura wo jimi wo yire na jimi ataba e ma mu chimifo a wo ye na busuafo so kanti no omo de emu container e ye friend say 40 feet container articulator ma e ka ho wa dum se January no kwasia na be de na oba kankan se watimi atufo na wondi nkwasi asem ne nam chain down kwan e na omo be hyemra no bo no omo de be ye Ghana wo kwasia ni mu odwan. Anyway, maybe I quite will be half as we in the sex life and family, but Saquano, or a hypocrite. So I did idea 29. No team a country Ghana for say fire bomb. I see Jimmy. Roma father, may say who petition Pia when say that is the beginning of your end. Remember, I do what to me. Man, I make catch it out. Me, I make catch it out. See, I start here and I say, and I will Kristo no Cassan. Mr. Man, I make catch it, Roma father. Pressure be a job, I'm a cyber security boss. And I so no for about 2 weeks. No, may find a picture and a year and na. May activism different though. A radical social media activism. When did they see the idea grow? When a man come home and Utia and a mamo. They do baby a Malcolm and Munana who say yes. A real Messiah of the people has risen, and you, wicked leaders of Ghana, should begin to know this. Sir, this is the time Ghanaians will have to live in harmony and peace, proper peace and serenity, because we have been blessed with every natural resource to live that life as kings and princes and princesses. It's my mother was just what deal with a mission starter. I know about the end of the road nations and said, "Jiwe never shall corner see." Now I catch them. You better real quick. You better me me pon the now man for first mama man for because I never me pon by me free screen because I got to be there for them. Now first you better me call and I will be become a Roman father there.
Dem na ka me busa say the Roman father wale na yiri no muku dwan ma no. Said o ka the Roman father. Said o ka something that is wale wo ba no muku mo dwan da na se.
Omo to na ntwe nyina ma no.
Da na se.
Sa de na ka bo mo.
Na je say nya obi ampe nti omuku ntwe.
Mr. Lisa me delay with Obana.
Ma se ase nti ene ya to ase na mpese me ho.
Na wo say imukasi ka sa na yire no. Lawyer Fatine na pamfo. Me say about judiciary na so biem say mo no. You are looking like a talks in the eyes of people. But now Ghana judges is an omotomo John Fosa.
Ebimo.
I said Bimo, and I said first lady anybody to pen a good funny from Fantiful. But the idea of it is a moon say Bimo Gumanima, I don't know Munio Mumpi. Near Muzamono, Munin to Muse, I was a Moyes corruption. But the moment that Munin Impia Makama, what to me, no, Mamma, first lady me what. Now, a friend say, Oba, any new crew be the holidays when I got to so much a day, and no bear on.
There be no say so much.
But I saw Oba girl go school, and Alfred, remember on the boy Bishop, hey, then I am. And this Obana boy Bishop, them now on carry us what you have to man. I have to open it. Nothing come over and judges with the actually. The first lady, it's what you want to say judgment now, cause no, a woman was an among can we ambassador Mutrese.
And so much. Yes, I'm open.
That's the million son of my at you.
My judge.
Anti anya say we judge intino. Me me enka e de ebeka chiro Mr. Judge, ebeka chiro e o man e chichiro.
Thank you,
E o man e
Kobe.
chichire. Ka chiro. O man e chichiro. O man e nyina e de na e chichire. It will play a part as a judge and I'm also playing my part as an activist. And the ebeka chiro man no untimi me hunu na obi ase me na me judge nti maza munim se de mo ye na obi befrem na nya munyini mpia bonti o mada roma yes remo judges am Ghana yes remo money mo nyam so for Onyankopon se mo ntena na namu na won fa nipa nkwanhye mo nsem efri se wote wona ukoja ukokota na bo se judge nipa na beti aka to se wo ho akire me na mka kire oga se wo 40 years hu wiase bi ma hu bi it is that power we na mo de judges kana menti ase menti ase o I don't get this and my very am judges that power we na mo de jijiska. Why don't you exercise this power in a godly manner? Say, what to okura na Onyankopon na ntimi mama for cheche on here.
Yeah.
There's a one tia man for you. Eti judge bi be fuma de ana na ye hia ni. Me se mo nkori hwe judge for na for mo nkori o mo. So mo be judges ni bia.
David.
Eti ebe kan sa article no na oh God Nyankopon.
Mba mo cha mo pa WhatsApp mo share na mo invite. Mumba WhatsApp, okay. Na share na invite na. Ya Ghana judge pemponche na wo. Wo sa eni pese e din wo wi ase wenye din bi ase Ghana judge pemponche na wo. Even akosi judge bi na ori pemponche na. De Kofi Usubu an kwasa mpanyin nipa boni ni Gloria minim se saba pa no onim sa de na wo ye no. Na onim sa nye o.
Che.
Na onim sa nye.
Onim sa nya pa. Sa jom boni ni kura no.
Den na minim se onim se ye no kwan so o. Den na minim se ya den na no kro den na minim se onim se ade na wo ye no boni bia ni ho. Onim no pa no wodi sa boni
ni dan ho pa ma ani dan.
Ya onim se nya no wo ye no onim.
Onim.
Kofi Buahin de nyame bebisa no.
First lady me chia mu nyina o.
Ya jesu miss na.
First lady na wo nim se watoto na ni awe we eni da ho bone no ye.
Kese ye me wanwo me de na minim se bia ase. Wonim se o ye normal me de kire.
Na so de nani
miss na de ankasa nwi no akasa.
Onim papa onim papa no nim bone. De o ye bia na ni da ho clear ti se Kofi TV no. Onim de oye bia na onim se bedru se yo Kwaku me wade se de kakra me srew sei
Mati
me pese me ame brempoma on adopt me adoption legally o na me ne baba pese me gina mu mame maame no o me power of attorney me pese me gina mu mame maame no me ni pese mu Mati that's it
Nene bekasa.
Nyame hira.
Ame kwa na me say na me announcement say em say nya nipa be 5 and 6.
E bia frame.
Okay, it's here up to weekend say nya na
e bi frame it me imagine say ochina anase nwumre be di be first lady be di hu nkomo.
All right, now you pay my prison date why?
Pastor Mate. Yo.
Na be di hu nkomo. Okay, it's my me bring my nene bekasa. Why? Oyo keeper.
Mate.
Nyame ma no baba ho fe pa.
And osa wona na beautiful na na no.
Meka che no why no am na very sure pa. Okay, maybe say me kind article where I find it very interesting. And it's in relation with Baba Jama. Me we are now the first lady afanko for now e nyina to aso. It said there be I shekwa enkomo na si nyina meka no me say Baba Jama and associate ade bi omo ye bia no wrong conflict of interest but enam say Ghana court no and as Baba judges no judges no more no price into no omo tuya judges nika and then whatever they go there to do is just formalities and they go there to play theatrics eti omo kwa no makoyi concert bia na pass judgment among. But if you want to look at things critically, and I say you want to really, really look into how the law is supposed to work in the court of law, you will see, say, how whatever trend or muteki, whatever steps are Baba Jama and Associates eteki biano is illegal in the court of law. And how can we practice illegality in the court of law? I'm so amazed at how Ghana works. I'm so overwhelmed as how we have a judiciary council. I'm so overwhelmed. Someone to one emotion side deal in a coso. It's Ghana judges no. With all due respect, my share baby, a bedu baby no. Attend in a because I don't understand. Say your Ghana Judicial Council and they can watch all these things go on because anybody a parliamentarian, because say anybody in politics. Are you part of the? Are you autonomous as part of the arms of government? And I say, Mukwana Musaye judges no kwano, Muamutumi munim because you lack the knowledge of the power you hold. And as I say, I'm trying to understand this. When I call law school, but I cannot sit and watch another man mistreat another woman in this manner just because or say on na buy also. It's your buying was no Ghana and Kwana much say we have arms of government, nay fake. And we will come to that. We will educate Ghanaians on that. Because the judiciary, if it's an autonomous body or an autonomous arm of government, there shouldn't be any interference or whatsoever from any other arm of government. The executive has no power over any other autonomous entity or arm of government because they are all forming an arm. Why do we have 3 arms of government? And why don't we have only one arm? Why is it that the executive can always interfere in the autonomous operation of the judiciary? I didn't Ghana and Kwana Tisa. It is a Ghana Tisentino, yen Timifa president in Kwaku. Muntie the Americano, na nyansa fon kwa me say Ghana system na da ho no a wahihye no it is say yentimi executive no onyaya politician no bewura politics or when he say Kim judge nyina ya down no, but that is a wrong interpretation of the arms of government. Amopese mo kire e wa abontini school ene baabia no na I say arms of government ne de mo de akire kwa but a fake. In actual way no, there is no arm of government. It's only one arm and it's the politician, and that politician on only decision supersede whatever is going on in the court of law. Is that what you are telling us? Is that what you are telling us? Because if the judiciary is an autonomous body on its own, the judiciary should find its own way. On why they graduating and call for the top hierarchy. But NDC never was my changing Chief Justice. MPP never was my changing Chief Justice. We never. It's all purely judiciary, purely witch hunting. The judicial system in Ghana is its main purpose as it stands right now is just for political witch hunting and poor people witch hunting. Oh, the Ghana judge in Chinikura say here, just a bonny away no we are secura judge name person wo hinkura say wo here one and one chiro na wa asem aba nanim adentia. Sana Yankopon se mo me Ghana judges me say mu sa so twen we bi da na de e ba no e change o mudi to ye manam ka kire mo. It's a natural mystic flowing through the air, through the judiciary system. If we say one of the most sensitive parts when it comes to the national growth, especially when it comes to the welfare of Ghanaians, which is not important to any politician. It is not important to anybody in the executive. It is not important to anybody in the legislature. Pass law, but when a parliamentarian be sorry say, yen fa Ghana and Kwaranyina ho, na yen fa yen vote to, na yen seti bibi say, you go da ye ton, but you go face for Gold Face Ghana Limited, AGC one. Oma bet na obuasi na me ya kwara, munkosha obuasi, omu buye kwasia, enuntino, yen sheni renew all natural resources contracts, regardless how long we no ko yen ye crew, yen ya take over the country, and we need this to be revisited because time now we don't think say the people normally they were in their right senses and now they have been futuristic about it, so let's revisit it. But instead politician be able to now crash and obuasi is a toilet. But the truth is oko Johannesburg a gold na omo to process no and e dey see Johannesburg e dey na esi wo obo ase free say Anglo gold broni na oba ono wo hu se sebe enipa dodo na e diga na anim say ye hwe ye japade so chimi adokoro madwene ma say tam chimi adokoro madwene mu ma say tam chimi fa e chimi fo fa a Jimmy Forfan, it will bossy quine cranansian and Sian Yugusu, and so to go. A Jimmy Forfan, and unti ye 2 oil or Ghana so petro walk while intimito. A Jimmy Forfan. And unti biochemistry, air course or tech, amount for the first grade, second grade, I pass 69 fucking good years. Say tech by, I don't know. Say 50 years or 40 years. I stand to be corrected. On my passing outside, but yet there is no government. I can say, hey, biochemist for science for may find 1,000 students from the University of Cape Coast, from the Mama build the dams 10. Mami, opinion to me yes I do. And what CSM. Yes, you see my yenchim ko fonsa and I'm do mine any munyamo ye. Me say mo time aso. Mo time aso. No mine na mo di nkwasi asem no ebeje mo nsa. Eti parliament for that ben obi be kwako parliament ho. Aka se mo miensu anyansa ho. Mo miensu anyansa. Na ya hwe ya dako ye ma mo ya bonko kura no oba bopo ye. Now say your friend say Kevin Taylor passé comment I wasn't pleased with it, but on one answer and family. But what I'm saying is say President Kufuor now mean so obo akokura keto bi ba attack him. And this mean so scenario. Wa na mean say obi betimi abeka say yo sorry free where you so nante at that age in that. Etie bi a wo de wote parliament wo na wo ye president wo ye judge na wo sisi nkofo no e bi a wo time na nkura ne sorry a omo do omo nsaba abeka na ye normal wo wiase tie nyansa e bi a wo time no nkura ne betimi abechi wa bo e free say na ye normal wo wiase say wo ye panyin no wagimi ayemo sa amre ne be sa ba say we are penny no Jimmy or mine my Antonio mo. I'm saying my akosu say was him with just a start out. A top form we are what the man must think movement is about. And we are about to challenge the status quo and raise people up to rise up in their senses and know say Ghana belongs to 30 million people, and then we should apply intelligence to make provision for the future of Ghana and not for the future of a politician and his generation. We have been practicing that bullshit for 69 years and we keep getting the same bullshit results, and we are ready to revive and resuscitate the state of Ghana by using Mami Akosua Sewa case as a case study, because this is glaring. Say the injustice, the level of injustice, the level of mediocrity I'm practicing or mining, no, especially our judiciary. Who say obiti se kofi usu kwa siampanyiwe ebeti me dem obedi agurama ye nyina hu se mo kura no munye obia. And then, no, yeah, junkie say, "Wa me kum kura nim say, ma me bring poma akomi." And then, utimi the film be jina judge nim. Just said, first no, na ukowura kwota, usuro judge kura. Sana Nyankopon ani mo nyamte o. But and I'm say judge wo bu nti, obi di say ko fi usu timi ko jina judge nim na ohwe na no twanto. Na judge no, e de nani mo nyama to form because wa gisket nyansa kura ni ntirim say akwasi ampanyini we me makomi school. Adua bebetua wo abegina wo twantro hwemanim em obi an se me chimi obi onim yansa bia no a oba na be ka chen se ye kware oba we ya ba ya na me ware wo 20 years wo abro ware 10 years na obehwe wo ma ade asemu yakọ. This is Jimmy Forte said Dorinda. I'm sorry, I'm very sorry. Eti Dorinda for Jimmy a wa Jimmy ntino mekọ akotu nsuo ni bi wo kurom. Now, obi akasa asem na omo de akasa maame eno na wagimi okodi case no ono no ho no omo de betu nsuo ma he me kire unyansa bi wate wo nti no me se da ba be yedede apriska de akotu Dorinda onko an
ko ka se Roman father pen abedi na tem but ase
da na so ono so abeka ho na ono so nyimi bese dia na menya no
jano
ada wa ko de bribe na Dorinda no abepa che
Roman father onko na betimi di na tem
I don't know
The
how
first lady or SDA new. Ti ye ka SDA for asama
Oh,
ya.
me kwa dia ho.
and that's okay be am I so remember.
Chia.
First lady that's what kwaji bride. Na dia na first lady.
Wadi bone me nka bi.
Na don't that ti ade oye ti don't that kwasi asem odi.
Wadi bone.
Next day for sana mo kwa so
But what's that coin for Roman father pet? Once the coin for bia. Roman father pen patch am sro.
Na Roman father o kwasi awade. Ene enko di me. Asa to akosu na be jare.
Bibia utimi. Bia upe bia utimi ka kire me.
Okay, enti baba jama mo. Kasa court asem na me be kan judges asem.
Aha.
Okay. Or say maybe kind article be. Or say when advocacy becomes abuse. I said I see Jema mama me abusu ya say we. Edumre bi a wan hwa na edane abuse ko atwi ye dey. As I feel we ye too much and how this sisi nipa na afi we kanipa no we dey bu ni ko. Na article no talking about Baba Jama. Or say why the General Council must sanction lawyers over the Daddy Lumber's estate letter. Obeso ache say sa letter na Baba Jama mo de bae no. O che reasons krontia e wo say Ghana Legal Council for no etimi punish Baba Jama and associate. The tia me then say ya sama ma beka na me beka ya no me de ateni kan obuko na me bo afu se me hu sa no kore no. Na ma adwene twi ko sa no kore say na nkwasiafo first lady o mo ka ho ana Baba Jama de so kan.
O ka ho Baba Jama mo ka ho mo do otimi di o matem.
Sankwasiafo we ya ba ko na afati na funu se biri mu bo frɛ ne shu kan na wo kan ne nasia propro etu owura court pe na jaja so no hene kwasiaba na wo court a iso ko spray ne nasi tulare na wo kan ne nasi kan o when shu to ope na ni man krama nyina ko ne fie o wa fun sei omo ko jina court ko jimi ye no sa letter no mo de ba na ho ayi na me be kan no na afei enipa na boa me what the article ne section ni na hyehyem fatika kan bi e de kan ba fun sei na he obani na nim na Baba Jama ene kwasia ban bi na ban kwan lawyer ban kwan kwasia mema nkwasiafo a magimie amode apobofo akromfo asansafo a mode mra na bebo kro no ahwifo asansafo Baba Jama mese mo
Baba Jama ni nkrofo de mo ya akromfo na mo nyame bebusa mo Baba Jama eni Roman father eni lawyer bengwan nyame bebusa mo fisa mo de na nka mo ye mo adwuma o enso so bone pa na mudi adwuma na idie bone na mudi adwuma na idie oba kuramfo ababa wa mudi na chim bone twa pa sa abayare ya nwale no abaya no bia ni asem na emom ya nwale the fact say wo no obia wo nchese awale ana de bia meka ne so wale be ma no wa nwa na chese ya nwale wa na so wale be ma na ni ma na chese ya nwale ensie ma me akosi se wade se nyankopon anya na dom ana se oni ni kunu wale ye no se ko ma nwa midonya misen ka Ghana fo be si na bo anka Ghana fo be si ma me akosi se wa bo se edie ntina papa ne ni we ya wo na wo de wa nwo na begina abeje ojapade anka na japade yin anko meje fini nsam we kura wo ko na wale ya wono aye na japade ni kunu bo mu ye mo japade kura no abawe bi atwe ne kontentententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententententenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpenpen and I know what posti with CV. Post to my no papa, our photo. Ne post to ya wo ya 2D post to who video photos me and share.
The contrast and entry. First lady, my kind fast. Or say the NTA was say Ghana's legal profession runs on trust. Clients trust lawyers to act with authority. Courts trust lawyers to speak only for those they represent, and the public trust lawyers to uphold the law, not manipulate it. The word is manipulation. Now the American say, judge it what did he say? The court a lawyer nekano. Nipa na lawyer na agent na monitri mu asem a. Na ye baba be hwe, and then many time e china nyame ya adom a. ye be ba be hwe se baba jama mo ensem o de ba bontin na no na ye enkofo na o represent o no tirimu asem ana ye o atirimu asem a enne me si ba bia ya dru no we are using the laws of Ghana to fight for what we are looking for. Because Ghana mpanifo ni nim say ye wotuo ne da ho ye de ato ene ye no mo bedi nkomo to wan tie ase a ye be ko akiri na we de misa ase ye be toto aba no omo nya aso no mada na mka kirem me na me ka kirem. It was the recent letter from Baba Jama's law concerning Daddy Lumbe's estate test all three. If the General Legal Council is serious about protecting the integrity of the bar, this is a clear case for disciplinary action, and here is why. We are some American. They are some American. Say judges no. Some person can say, oh, judge for ni binom dia. And you making sure say, oh, be a wo this abon we inaba. And I'm American. It's yantuasu. Number one, or say the first rule: no client, no case. Client in your assembly no.
Kwaku obi asend this car. Dana say.
Why? Me so read the man why I'm say you know.
Wasend this car me come
Oh. Me so won bibi say no read am why.
I said I make na wonte. But we dey besan babie me to dey ko. Ko e besan babie ma se ko tiri ma ha nti e besan ba.
Alright, who send this Nyankopon anyokese. Okay, any Vivi, okay, o Vivi Nyankopon anyokese what won share na ade bia ye wakoma so ade bi o ma nsanka. Was it the first rule? No client, no case. Now I say nipa ni wa asembia ni ho. Now I say lumba ewu no ni wa, oni lawyer muntie. No client, no case. Now ade no be backing with Ghana mra. I say the legal profession, professional conduct and etiquette rules 2020 LL 2423 opens with a simple command: a lawyer shall not act without instructions from a client. Now it's a lawyer ni ho kwan say onu aka se to anamo abra nipa no obi ani wa o ka chen so to anamo. Okay, according to omo emra omo de ye adwuma and omo code of conduct eti echina no me kan we wi a echina no ye ba behwehwem se baba jama mo omo busua na omo musua. I say the firm's letter states it acted on instructions from their clients. So person say baba jama mo letter no mo ba omo say omo acted on instructions. Omo client be kwadwofosu instructions be. Yes, only no client, no lawyer, no omo do masisa no. Eti beba. I say, but who was the client that the Lumba was deceased? It is said that the Lumba would be one and I client and no representing them. That the Lumba woo no client, no representation. It is said that the Lumba would according to Muankasa Mumra Namo LL 2423. Our code of ethics muno. That the Lumba knew. It's a then a Ghana court, judiciary, and not a judges sono. That is say, Dorinda, Ushumu kan wate. Mutimitra wa ya nhwehan wa bra munim saade we emo mutimi begina also omo represented that the Lumba na ebesi ne omo da so represented that the Lumba e o Ghana court. That lady ya just need e jana ma so asi omo so so omo nya ba chime wa ya me no omo be ye do me nya hu se na tie de a mo fa na ko ba bi e be defend mo nya me de mo be ya mi o so Ghana no enye obi dia no abetena dem say me dem akọ school awieti no me ba be sisi nkofo na ate ase ase ada bi emre bi no mo te ase na eri ante ase ka kire mo. It was say but only through a court appointed executor or administrator. As of the latest date, no such appointment had been publicized. At the time, enkofo we ba ponti so mo Lumba layers no. Na ekwan a ewo so mo faso. Na ka mo court. Na ka court no eyi nipa because court mrem sa na tie. Nipa wu a court na eyi nipa no be representing no. Omo anye saa niema we nyina na omo ba abonten. Omo ankokọ to ankosiki bibia emfi omo. E na omo ade omo pe e ba abonten. Baba Jama and associate e de letter by say omo na e daddy Lumba lawyers. Ntimentie. I say, if the firm cannot produce a living client with legal standing who instructed them before that letter went out, then they acted without authority. Yes, because Lumba now the letter mama or Casamo coin away. Only wow. And for you to even come out so your Lumba lawyer no kwano, and you're wrong. Bagana for one can of Baba Jama. When I may say, more time soon. More time soon. Nkwase for lawyers, Akwan for lawyers, Baba Jama armed robbery lawyers, Nkwasia for lawyers, Woody for lawyers, Shinshima for lawyers, Azan for lawyers, 419 lawyers, Baba Jama and associates. And now most time kwa Google reviews, Mama bad reviews, Mamo, Omu Nkwase for lawyers pa. Ultimately, I say, under Rule 1, that alone is a professional misconduct. The General Legal Counsel has suspended lawyers for less. Or say, and Kwafua ye bibia and do said Baba Jama and associate ayano. Now the General Legal Counsel of Ghana and Utina first lead make us say, Samusi judge binye, na momo lead more counsel or na counsel need to mean to understand there. Na Samuchi tum and Yamonshi, but Nipa or try the ways won't name the pefe say, Okwa Ghana law court law and legal counsel ona. Obia ye DNA such a way, I may appear yes suspended no, but Papa Jama wedding was yasem in feni masem, a dear omunim say ni bukum, and so omoda so court. It was a misleading the public with a phantom family. Ahane hear me pano. Omako for one creative abusuabi, and Omasa ko share busuana ti so omo ye omo lawyers. Na me be kan na abusa ya ho se omo ye sa abusuafo ne lawyers a ekenne omo sa de abusuafo ni gina court ana Baba Jama and associates mo jimi na mo jimi o na me nim de ti Ghana mpanyifo ama mo kwan na mo obi afa Ghana mpanyifo dodo ana se omo jimi e baffles my mind say me ti Ghana ona me ye panyini na tumi kura me a we kwasie te se Baba Jama me ma kwada keto bi afọ manim nya form se em se ma jimi efri se me hwe o ma de Ghana jimi. And that is how my brain works. And until I want to say, Ghana penny for the do na tio, na sa nkwa siasem we koso. Na ye musamo ye penny for. Manima guasiu. A man for one say, Nyansan shada ni penny for the do na trimo. And until na kwasia penny to say Baba Jama, edi sa nkwa siasem we. Broad daylight, no that's so kosudi. Oko kan yes na buying the wall. We are buying my foot. We are buying my foot. Now what buying the moon? And about to you New York. Baba Jama, wa buying no, and Baba to you in New York. Wa buying my foot, BM. Okay, so the letter claims to represent Fosu royal family from Pakoso. That entity does not exist in Asante custom or law. Not just say Fosu royal family no kweni ho ebini bebia. Asante memu miracle ebini ho. Lumba oni hini bi na wate royal family bia o Pakoso. Pakoso there is nothing like Fosu royal family. It is letter no kwa muka na fake. Enye Ghana mpanyifo na me say bo ho so biem. Ghana mpanyifo na dodo na ase o ma jimi. Omo nim nyansa etu omo be man kwada hu omo se omo jimi a ekwa mo betina ho se wo kwasia panyini ati se Baba Jama we say ono na ban na wo so etu odi sa nkwasia sem we na oda so gusu di enso mpanyifo bi omo so omo ye lawyers mpanyifo bi omo tete Ghana ho so omo ye mranimfo enam so omo jimi no mu nim nyansa nti omo timi mfra sa jimi we a ogu Ghana judiciary anim ase no to book efri say omo pese omo kire say Ghana judiciary no emu panyifo dodo na jimi sana Baba Jama pese o kire efri say wo ko ba bi na se nyansa wo wa onfa jimi nko ba ba bi jimi wo na de jimi nko sana mementi ase ti wa abrabo mu it is all to fear na ma obi de jimi ba wo da bi ana se wa jimi ntia Wo me unim nyansa Jimmy for ntimi ma ofie mo nso prensa. E wa abra hu nso wa Jimmy. Se unim nyansa o Jimmy for ntimi ma ofie mpro so prensa. E wa abra unim se wa Jimmy na unim nyansa. Eti Jimmy for ba ofie da bia wa Jimmy tina Jimmy for ba ofie da bia. Eti se Ghana court no nyansa ni bi wo wa e ka wa stop kwa siampanyini no. Eti se Jimmy for ta so ba Ghana court be Jimmy a na chese sei. Mo fan so mame. We are Ghana penina hwe me bad you that there in shape. Be say Jimmy for eba wo fie drive bro some prince na chese wa Jimmy. It is a Jimmy for be to say Papa Jama at the Ghana court money ma ye baller. That's what that's what the money me ye baller. Na dey say mo ye baller. I will say it without fear or favor. Papa mo chimo nya dem be. We will make sure say we will put the judiciary on their foot. Obia so judges for Ghana ho and a judges here the omope. Se Papa Jama etimi disrespecting the whole judiciary system. Emma mu looki say nyansa kura ni ba kokura timu a then we will disrespect you too. For sheso manizo when you're ready. Samot na oma Papa Jama kwa siampanyini we I disrespecting lawyers amu Ghana nyina. I Kwaku Kristo I will disrespect you too in my capacity as an activist for sheso manizo. Oh jeez, man, I'm catching them. For shizzle man is the OGs. Me na me catch them. Papa Jama Jimmy say. Na mo hwe no. E no Jimmy. To the sense of Kofi Usukura for Ghana judges ne lawyers say. Nyansa ni kura ni ho. Ah we me time say me na me say catch the Ghana mpanifo. E me time. That's the other thing I can so am see. Because I didn't cost no. Time. Say Jimmy Fobi. That is a Kofi Usu. It's me the judges at them. For what reason? First, let me show us our important call. Okay.
Me ba mo cha mo pa WhatsApp mo share na mo invite.
I'm saying now man for ebusa me ma me brimpoma. Eti miss na di me ma me brimpoma ne ho ye why. Ne ho ye. Eti later on after this live na ebedi nkomo na afi ma come say.
Mate.
Ne ho ye pa why? O se me ma until obi anti say ne ho ye pa.
Mate.
Eti said na make no. What's it Kwaku, your warrant is ready at Kotukai.
Munya no ready ma me mpacha. Munya ni bebre.
Media men catch Ghana judges. I will tell you people the truth say. And in Boasiana Mont na woma cratchy for. Kofi Usu to sack ne Baba Jama de gumu no. Time. Meka catch them. Time kura asa cratchy for amogo. Na Kofi Usu to sack kwasi ampanyi we. Otimi beka we na chase wa fam se mu nyina mu nim de mo ye. Time. It's my reading to us an article on a maybe UCC and a fee a man for a cousin. Or say, okay, or say that entity does not exist in Ashanti custom or law. Nsuta Fosu is Daddy Lumbe's father's name, Tio. His father was from Mangwase, and Ashanti inheritance is matrilineal, royal, and family identity passes through the mother's line and not the father's. Eti Fosu na was say Fosu royal family omu free pakoso no. Fosu no ye lumba papa din na Asante memu infa. And obi di ajade Ghana judges ne lawyers. Me say ye be kan ye nsuo mo de ye nsuo mo say ye bumo say mo achieve but say ye me nsuo mo say e wo say mo sumo man na mo nsum de da bi ye be ka kire mo ye be ka kire mo etimi be say me ka kire mo say the mere fact say Baba Jama and associates etimi be gina abonte be ka say omo represent ye friend say Fosu family from Pakoso no omo ya kronfo ye hwifo ye wudifo asansafo. Every say there's nothing like Fosu family. A day Fosu no, every man go say, Lumba Papa. Etia then I wakache say, we are Fosu family lawyer. One, ye near who for lawyer. I was see a 4 way, and I should be record to say, we are who for lawyer. Two, almost say, we have a royal family from Bakoso. I don't know how much there's nothing like that. And you people are still allowing it to go on. Yabeka Muslim judges assem. Yabeka Muslim judiciary assem. Musha Baba Jama mani di kwasi assem way. Our Ghana wa. Yabeka ya jina chiremo. Mina make chiremo Ghana judges. Mekama jina chiremo. I'm telling you people. The next court appearance of Baba Jama Mobekono, you people will see the heat I'll put on the judiciary. Because now my young will say, so nobody should respect you. I'm telling you. Some more respect Ghana for Mama Baba Jama found quasi a same women will court. Lumba now representing Norway. Lumba now all representing no. It's we a judge. What court school are you? Who names a sadia a mistake? Ya mama church on radio be go. No be church on kwasi assembly atresi emekanya na. Ya ni abiro. Sama for many justice amana o. Ghana judges and mu benya chi atum. Na mu biri no yare e beba mo sokura mo time na ye beba Ghana na mo wu. Fi se mo di bone. Mo ye ni pa bone afo. Mo ga se be ya di mu be di agura na. I'm an activist too, and this is what I will stand for, and I will die for this. Me can't tell them playing fun. I will live long and tell the generations how we fought this fight. Can't tell them all. The Ghana judges, Monya ready. Some Baba Jama, I catch you some mudim kwasia, some money mamma so dear. We will come and insult you. Baba Jama, dim attempt, broad daylight, and you people accept it. It makes so many activists. I'm telling you people. Telling you people for free. Telling you people for free. First lady, me bawati, me bana hit na so me ba.
Me de na me nkasa.
Ani atu bomb na for baby to them me ba.
Pick a chama. Chama request. Me pambo chao, mon pa WhatsApp, mon share, na mo invite. Enti chama akwaba, enti no your friend say UK judge UK shortbread. Enti wrap
For me. Ma, wabre.
First lady Major so. Somewhere.
Let me do a shortbread. Let me do a
Shortbread.
me do a food.
Ma, come to you, be a bear fine.
Martin. Mr. Alessia, I'm here. Me de si from why.
Okay, me ba me come you first ladies. I'm in me attending to omona. Time here between why. I didn't make a kwana me bufu. I say it creates a fictitious standing to intervene in a probate matter because say omono there's nothing like a Fosu family from the onset, that is from the scratch. Now the basis of Kwasi Asema Baba Jama Mudi me say judiciary now I will come in public and disrespect the judiciary system. Baba Jama is already doing it publicly. Or you know, in the full glare of Ghanaians, say judiciary nyansa ni bi anto obekanyansa achire no. If it's an abine also. Now me catch Baba Jama say, "Wow, buying no kwa na e train New York." Muka say di agro. Me say, "Wow, buying no." So mama, and I me train New York. Me to nyame. See I can say am say mouth. Hwe kwasi asema moti wodi. Obi amakoko school attractive for mama coffee to say kwasi ampany anyway. Did mu attempt broad daylight and you people want us to watch you and say your baby helimo because we are judges. Sure. Mati tinkura me say next week when the mo dey me mo be mama Baba Jama Jimmy for na say me wura court biem na mo say me say and it has be a jan ne hu say mo kwa legal yi na mo ti wono say mo nyina no wa fa mo say mo Jimmy tie bia ye fa mo say mo Jimmy ampa and we will take it from there. I'm telling you. First lady ma me kasa na Baba Jama on form so mo Jimmy. On form so mo Jimmy. Baba Jama didn't go see a same judge say. Shadu or Ghana judiciary. Idea then if says and I was here kind enough said the judges will be provoked enough to see say what this dude is doing he's disgracing them and we lose credibility in the eyes of people like us. And that is how disheartening it is. And it's very disheartening to see such an idiot like Baba Jama play on the intelligence of the entire judiciary. I am controlling 30 million people. And you people think this is a joke? You people think that this is a joke, right? You people think it's a joke. All right. I say Rule 13 of LL 2423 prohibits lawyers from making false, misleading statements, presenting a culturally incoherent, legally non-existent royal family like the Fosu royal family as your client misleads the public and prejudices the estate. It creates fictitious standing to intervene in probate matter. The GLC cannot allow lawyers to manufacture clients to enter disputes. Nice muankasa legal standings, no. Muankasa Ghana legal bar or whatever now mode government. Muankasa munim say nobody can create a fictitious family. So stand there momo. But Baba Jama has had the power. Say muankasa create Fosu royal family non-existent. Non-existent. Almost say Kwaku, so there's nothing like that. What me and for a whole year what me decided we are in Ghana court back and forth without the legal counsel. Muslim any can't them. Oh, did my term as I must say at 10 years and I must I'm telling you people for free. Me say, Mamma Bosia say one talk away now, Modi Diabrone. And ya good you. Etimontie was it impersonating of the dead. Though the firm said it represented the family, the letter like a personal defense of Daddy Lumba, his choices, his marriage, his intent. Rule 18 bars lawyers from asserting personal knowledge or becoming a witness for their own case. Rule number 18 of ONAIR LL 2324 is 2423. Or say, ultimately impersonating the dead person. And so lawyers way, ultimately letter, expressing that the Lumba choice, I will no person here. Almost expect letter, ultimately say, yan kata nanim, almost letter, ultimately bekase, on yida or money divorce paper no, on no jano, we am kwasia for lawyers wati. Me say, me bo say the esi funo. Ghana judiciary. Me bo say the esi funo. And mubenya abechi Mubenya abechi because the mena mubenya no. Se Baba Jama any kofi usu fa monya hwea. Eni se Ghana ni bia de moya hwe me na me ka kire mo because we are equal before the laws of the land. Eti die benti na mo be ka kire say obi aban. Me say wo aban no. My buying, my buying, and I made chain on New York. I swear to God, say you and meeting, but bounce and Ghana for a boom who Kwaku Kristo is. Who the true revolutionary is. Mokase dia bro. Mokase Ghana, and you put 30 million gumno. Yeah, Jimmy, meboa, yeah, because 70 years, and that is why Corona sorry, Kachemu say it needs a change.
Preach on. As you say, no, Nyansana near to go from men because you see the drone there. Baba Jaman and call for Togo, Moto da Hontino. Jimmy Unti, Kwaba, the man and trust on the all kind of made the part.
Quick now, why? me time now. I say, my mama voice I perform kakra. I say, though the firm said it represented the family, the letter read like a personal defense of Daddy Lumba, his choices, marriage, his intent. Rule 18 bars lawyers from asserting personal knowledge or becoming a witness for their own case. Another one. I say a lawyer cannot argue for a dead man. Only his duly appointed estate representative can. By adapting Daddy Lumba's voice, the firm crossed from advocacy into impersonation. That is the way our choices no more letters no. I've compiled more letters no. It's a free channel. You have review letters and then we will petition Ghana one being. Instead of being an intellectual fight, we are using their own laws, their own rules and government to ask them questions and seek for the justice. It may say, I say, litigating in the press, not in court. Say, Mochi Manson, lawyer ni litigation every court, no they could online. But say if the firm had genuine instructions about the estate, Rule 3 required them to file those with the probate division immediately. Instead, the claims appeared in a public letter before any court process.
Chairman. Sorry.
Also, I say, or try so Bema Neman for no. And as a Ghanaian, I was drinking deep, or try so be man for any. And Cranny Hano, but still, intimacy, Obia who say, I dare no Edmana Fatu, and Kwaku. Then Capeti, I didn't Kakotowada. We could be a Kristo, Yamedina drew in a corner of Fahon, but drink Chimaho, any baby a Ghana, Edruno, any I didn't know, or Dawana, way on. Or your mammy at the time. It may say, so ba now unim say, unim yansa, and true be do a form more in any yard dear bear a bemani pa a vision pebble. And trunk as in beer, or the Genasi didn't take a crack. It means so. Because they say, I didn't do no. A yansan corn, a chunk of phone, a yansan corn, Quaba or Trasso.
All right, or say litigating in the press, not in court. If the firm had genuine instructions about the estate, Rule 3 required them to file those with the probate division. Hanache say Mrasu no mudia. Ekalumba huye no say ampase lumba kwa mo instructions.
Kwaku me ba chana choice adiwe.
Lawyer ni na.
Okay. Kasa.
Wa yusu Ghana mrana ne.
Sure.
Eti article no am the man important to me ne asem na otwero and no na meka. And a lawyer ni so atwero and wa publishing na memako. So eti ni say na tie. So
Mehu.
and I say yeah ensem na e be kan na no kure.
No kure.
Nanti na me kan we na ti me wie sisi
Okupacho ummo eyini mame na menhwe lawyer ben you didn't say na men hwade wa na odeka
ba me kan we was here ma me wie na me
Tell obetima share link na ma later.
okay me share ma no akọ we why
no problem
I say okay baby I never do myself okay enti na wo senka se lumba mpo obewu no se lumba ja omo o ja lawyer for instructions bia na wo say enka lumba wuye no omo de court e go ka say instructions say no de maaye na ka court no hwehwem ji to say yampa bo omo anya sa de no obo fiti prekupe omo fiti prekupe be tro letter de to abontin say omo ye lumba lawyers sa de ne ya against Ghana mra it means say Ghana judges say kuku damfo nyina ate wo na baba jama da so practices are illegality no enti ento aso o hit na me de ba na no den awe na yakeke kansim bia bro so tina me cool it down. Number 5 or say Rule 5 says lawyers must not use the media to influence prejudice proceedings, using press releases to try an estate case before filing is textbook professional grandstanding. The GLC has warned repeatedly that the courtroom, not the newsroom, is the proper forum. Failure to sanction here sets a precedent. Any lawyer can try their probate case on radio first. It's your best say, Asema ye betwe ho man so no. Ye nkotena radio so. And I say ye can release home letter. Enko ka asem enche public no. And a lumba na yire no kra no or the nesa bae or ba ni bigya no 18 years or the letter bre no ye nkoye saa de no. Because yes, I no the any case no ewa abonten ansa na wako court. Enti ade a wonim se yenye no omomra ne tiana no no moye. What did you make an answer? Okay. 80 my church on me sure so be at here. And I say raising claims without standing. Raising claims without standing. The letter invoked desertion to attack Mamia Kusuya Sewa for Su status, but only a spouse can plead desertion under the Matrimonial Causes Act 1971, Act 367. First lady, not just a for se omokura babi jina bontin. Eba be frame Mamia Kusuya Sewa use the word say. With desert and also with Janikun or sa word the neka na o sa let anymore. Sa word neka kano go against the 1971 Matrimonial Cases Act. They can say awari mun semomra. Awari mun semomra o mo de buy e ya fair pim a how no edu osun baako. 1971 no act 367 said your son eduasanson no sa act no yade a etia sa de no say o judge o lawyer no just o ware ni e dey say be a first lady nko a na obetimi aka say me kunu ejame ho na say me nko a na obetimi aka say me iri jame ho apart from me and now no obi ani ho kwan so obetimi aka so obi ja obi ho. Hey, because munim de yemi nu yesusu ye, munim de ye dwene ye, munim de eti obi kwotena baabi, munim ada na obi behwehwe obi. Eti for say the fact so we use the word desertion edo to ma miakosu asewa so no saade no se wokọ Ghana mbra konkron ni mu a Matrimonial Causes Act 1971 Act 367 e kire say saade no ye wrong. Eti me pese me kire say the entia ya na ye buofu na ye ba na edidi Ghana lawyers na judges ni bia tem ne say eti omo nim saade we ya na de no ma hwe e wa baba jama aguso ye sa na e ma we. Okay. I say it's a ground for divorce, not inheritance. Say empo. First duty. Say empo. Say the word desertion. Say we jani kunu 17 years bemo. Tio. Say empo me na wote. Na me ja 17 years. Na won ma. And no nkyere say me japade me yemfa mame. And grounds for inheritance, but grounds for divorce. Grounds for divorce, which is say, Ubetini Jinaso say, Medi Jaya Wadi. Untimi Jinaso say, Udi Jinaso say 17 years. And from a Japan, the farmer Bema and it. Uti. Hey. And no mabu ya kwasi acho baba jamaa nena usubusa afwe. Tina me boyana me buofu. First lady ya na ye akoma ye. Metiase. And I think at this point saying was here no. Na ye ma me motiase di ti ana kwaku ye de. Sa. Because baba jamaa nena nkrofo na aboye krono mo ya hwefo. No ma fa esi ati. Okay, enti si am say dem e kire no say o de emfa ne say emra Ghana mra kire say ma me akosu ase wampu. Ujada the Lumba was 17 years now more canoa. Lumba meka send a yirijan or call. There be on can be that. Only one waka. 80 a bana na beman on quan and amra quan so who bit me use to say me yirija ho. I said we yirija one pamponem rane find there and on case we yirija or honintino. Yenji we japadi man. First lady with you. ɛno na nkyerɛ sɛ yere gya wo wɔn nti ɛngye wɔgya padeɛ ma no na mmom ɛkyerɛ sɛ me metumi aka sɛ me yere ne first lady o na wɔgya me